Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to an update on Matic. I haven't covered it for a while, I think, but just felt like making an update today. I know a lot of you are still holding / looking at it for some trades, including myself, and it's one of my biggest holdings over all of my portfolios. So just wanted to make an update, mainly a technical update. I think last video we actually looked at some fundamentals. Obviously, Matic is converting to Pol at some point of time, I think, but I'm not sure when it will happen. I mean, right now they're still rolling out some features of Polygon 2.0. But in the middle of that, yesterday we actually already had a bearish breakout through our major support level, just under 70 cents, around 69.5 cents, and overall, sadly, we've just been very, very bearish with Matic, all right? So we'll talk about that. We'll talk about the possibility of finding some support somewhere and where that would be. But that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that though, if you actually want to receive my trading setups, receive access to a exclusive trading community and my trading guides to actually become a better and more profitable trader, join the premium trading group I have created. You can join it via the links down in the description or the pinned comment, or go to cilinix.com, and there you can also find out a little bit more of what it looks like and what to expect, right? Which you obviously want to do. But if you're interested in that, check that out. We're rapidly growing, and yeah, I genuinely do think you'll become a better trader. But for now, on to Matic. So what we did over the course of yesterday, and by the way, I think the market structure right now is pretty clear. I should actually delete this trend line right here. But the market structure in my eyes is pretty clear, right? I mean, we're just bleeding right now. We had a bit of a consolidation right here last week, obviously also following the consolidation that Bitcoin had. But apart from that, there's nothing bullish about this. So what we're waiting for is a strong support level. Now, a quick glance at the chart gives you the idea that there's actually a strong support level right here in the area which we just touched with that bearish dump over the course of the last night, at least for me, which was caused by Bitcoin, which is true. I mean, there's this support level right here between, I would say it's a little bit hard to gauge, but I would say this is it. So that's between 65 and 67 cents. And I actually do think that is a level again that can hold. Now, whether we are able to start some sort of an uptrend from there depends fully on Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin right now is very bearish, and because it's the 1st of August, like I would say the most likely scenario from here, given the structure for Matic, but also given the entire sentiment and the direction of the market, would be a bit of recovery from this drop, but then afterwards a fall deeper down towards 66 and 65 cents, and that will just consolidate on top of that support level while barely getting any bullish momentum. That's at this point in time the most likely scenario in terms of market structure. The one thing that could change that, and perhaps the only thing that could change that, is if Bitcoin gets bullish momentum. Like if Bitcoin right now, for example, and this isn't likely, but it's a possibility. If Bitcoin is able to break above 29,150, so get that bullish breakout and get some more bullish momentum, then Matic actually has the chance to break above 70 cents. And with that bullish breakout above 70 cents, get towards 73 and 74 cents and actually become, a little bit bullish on the short term. But that's the only way in which Matic could become bullish. With the Bitcoin dominance being this high and Polygon having some updates and some news, but not enough to make the price move, that's the only way to do something like that, all right? Or some news with the SEC dropping their lawsuits or something, but that would also cause Bitcoin to go up. And this, even though it's a possibility, it's not the most likely scenario. So therefore, I would say it's more likely for Matic to get a bit of recovery, but overall start dropping down towards 65 cents. And then if Bitcoin drops down further than we did, then Matic at some point of time will also drop down to this level right here between 62 and 60 cents. All right, so that's my view and that's my analysis on Matic right now, and also some explanation behind it. If you do have any questions or anything, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.